Good morning, guys. Our breakfast. We call noodle or whatever. Noodle. Our chef, executive chef. And we fry some egg. Bro, throw your leg on the food. Mm.
Follow